Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Drea from Lake Crochet. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Okay, so today we will be making a very cute infant size, I guess you would say ruffle or wavy skirt. I'm using my Craft Smart yarn, my absolute favorite yarn to use. I just love the texture. I love how spongy it is. My 5mm hook and a pair of scissors if necessary. Let's get started. Okay, so I like to start all my projects from the center of the yarn. I just feel like it doesn't tangle when we start here. So that's where I like to start. That's just a little tip. And like all of our projects, we're going to start with our slip knot. We are going to chain up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chains. Okay? And this is going to be for a size about 0 to 6 month skirt. So we're going to start with our waistband and we're going to chain up 8 chains. All right. We're going to start with our first row. We're going to do, I believe, 7 single crochets across because we're going to skip our first chain. So we're going to go into this chain. Okay. And we're just going to do 7 single crochets across. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. And then I'm going to squeeze out that 7 right on the end to close it all up. And then boom, we have 7 single crochets across. Okay, we're going to chain up 1 and we're going to start row 2. Now on row 2, we're going to be doing the same thing. However, we're only going to be crocheting into our back loops. Okay, the back loops. So the back part of the V. You know, I like to call these the V's. All right, turn our work. We're going to go right into that back loop and we're going to single crochet there. Okay, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, and 7, all into the only the back loop of your stitch. We're going to chain up 1, we're going to turn our work, and we're going to do this all the way across until we reach about row 45. Okay, so we're going to single crochet into the back loops all the way until about row 45. Okay guys, I've now approached my 45th row. I'm just going to do my last row of single crochet into the back loop of my stitches. And that is 45. So I'm going to chain up, and this is what we should have. It has like a, you see that give? I love this stitch. So simple, but it really makes a difference in your waistband. Okay, so all I'm going to do is take the 2 ends, and I'm going to join them together by slip stitching across, okay? So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go into this side. Maybe a little tight for you, not sure. And I'm just going to pull it through. All right. I'm going to do that all the way across, slip stitching this together. Okay, so now our band is together in a perfect circle. You could cut this if you wanted to do another color, but I think I'm just going to make this whole skirt pink. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to turn my work inside out so that the seam that we sewed together is now in the inside. Okay. And then I'm just going to really pick up where I left off. Like I said, if you want to cut, this would be your time to switch your color if you want to. But I'm just going to pretty much take this all the way around, slip stitch all the way around my waistband. This part is pretty much no right, no wrong. Just try to make sure that you're putting your slip stitches, you know, evenly around, because we know that there's technically not, you know, our V stitches along here, or at least all the way around here. So we're just going to try to evenly distribute some slip stitches all the way around to create this row, okay? So I'm just going around, slip stitching the bottom of the band. All right. Mainly the bigger holes, but you know, you'll come across some where you can't really see them. I'm trying to go into these bigger parts. But yeah, slip stitching all the way around to create this row at the base of your waistband. All right. Okay, so we have made our way back around to the center, you know, seam of our band. We are going to crochet up one. Hold on now. Yeah. We're going to make one chain up. We're going to turn our work. And we are literally going to put 2 double crochet into each stitch around. Okay? 2 double crochet into each stitch around. So wrap around, go into our stitch, 1 double crochet, wrap around, go into our stitch, 2 double crochet. Okay, so we're doing 2 double crochet into every stitch around. 1, 2 into the same hole. Okay, and we're doing this all the way around until we get back to our seam. 2 double crochet into each stitch. Okay guys, so I've approached the end of this row of my 2 double crochet into 1 stitch. I am now going to slip stitch into the top of the first stitch and close that off, chain 1 and turn our work. Now I'm going to have to apologize ahead of time. My street is having work done, so it's going to be a little loud, but we're making cute skirts, so we're just going to ignore that. This is what we have so far. This roughly kind of look, okay? And from here on, you know I don't like to be ahead of you too long, so simple instructions. We are literally double crocheting. I'm sorry, I need to turn my work. Oh, it is turning my work. We are literally double crocheting into every stitch around. 1 double crochet into every stitch around. We're going to get to the end of our row. We're going to slip stitch into the top, and we are going to turn our work, and we are going to double crochet into every stitch around. 1 double crochet into every stitch. And that is literally the skirt, guys. So I'm just going to take you along for a little longer, but I'm sure you got this. 1 double crochet into every stitch around for row 2, row 3, and beyond. We are going to make this skirt according to how long you want it. You'll continue that single double crochet into each, single double crochet. Well, yeah, single double crochet. You're going to continue that 1 double crochet into every stitch all the way around for every row up until you are at your desired length for your skirt. Okay. And it's just like that. Okay guys, so I am now at the end of my row. No, I'm not going to wrap around. I'm going to do one more double crochet, and then I'm going to, of course, slip stitch into the top to close off that row. Now, I quickly got over this pink. Very cute, but it's giving me boring. So I'm going to add in a little hot pink, and I'm going to alternate rows of hot pink and light pink, and that is going to be my skirt. Okay, so I took it back. I took my last double crochet out just to show anyone who doesn't know how to switch colors or just want to find a new way to switch colors. This is how I do it, okay? So I start my first double crochet, and then right before I do my last, to close it up, I won't do that. That is where I'll add my coloring. So I'll have 2 left on my stick. I'll just wrap my yarn around my hook, pull through those 2 stitches. Make sure you have control of your tail, okay? And then I'm going to go into my top and slip stitch with that hot pink, and of course chain up 1. All right, so now that just changes the color perfectly without having to tie and stop. It just inserts it right in there, okay? So I'm going back around with my double crochet into every stitch, and I am now doing another color. I don't know how many rows, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I just wanted to, show you guys in case anyone needed help switching colors. But we are going to move on and create this skirt on our own because we got this. 1 double crochet into every stitch around until your desired length. And I will see you at the end, guys. Okay guys, we are done. She is super cute. I love that I switched colors. I was getting so tired of just the pink. So we got the little hot pink in between. I believe I did a total of 14 rows. Again, this pattern that I did was for 0 to 6 months, but now that it's done, even though it gives like a stretch to it, I still would give this about a 0 to 3. Now, some babies could fit it at 6 months. We never know, but to me, this pattern is given about 0 to 3 months, so I'll switch it to that for as I'm concerned. But it is super duper cute. I love how it came out. I hope yours turned out the same. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to this channel for very quick tutorials. Over and out.